previously we set up our inventory menu, right? So we still hit the I key and it pops up. And then we were doing a little bit of playing around, and we set it up so that when we hit the D key, it would automatically populate our inventory, and it looks quite nice the way it is. But we got to do a little bit of cleanup here, okay, before we add in the sprites here to show the pictures of our objects and the text itself. So let's do that. Let's do a little bit of cleanup first. And basically what we want to do is, first let's set up a group here. Let's move this up. We no longer want it to be so that it does it on key release. So let me do a copy first to make sure I'm not getting rid of that. Let's delete this. Let's move this over underneath our group name. And let's call this inventory screen creation. Okay, and we're going to set this up as an external event, actually, so we can call upon it. So let's go back to our project manager, external event. I've got one here already. Let me see if I was playing with this beforehand. Oh, right, we have the external event already set up for hiding and showing our inventory. Okay, good. Actually, that's great. So let's use that one then. Actually, no, I don't want to use that one. Let's leave that one where it is. Let's actually create a new one for a different reason. Okay. Let's rename this one. Let's call it inventory. Yeah, let's call it inventory creation. Let's do that. And let's choose the scene to connect it with. It's main, that's where our code is right now. And let's add an empty one here. And let's copy that and bring it in here. Now let's open this up. If we leave this without a condition and we link this external event, it's going to keep checking this and keep writing this over itself, and that is a huge, huge waste of memory and resources. Okay, in reality, we really only need this to happen one time. At the beginning of our game, it's got to generate this one time, and then it just stays on our layer for the rest of the time. So we're going to make a condition where this only triggers one time, and that's with the trigger once while true. Now it'll trigger one time and create the menu objects that we need. So let's link this external event to our other scenes. Let's get rid of this one here. Delete. And we need to go plus here and do a link. And the name is inventory creation. Let's move this. Let's open that up and move this up here. All right, and we'll do the same thing for the kingdom here. Let's do a link. Inventory creation. Okay, let's open up our external links here. Good. Now, let's see what that does. Let's just go ahead and run it. See? Automatically populated it right there. And we can close that out and come out to the kingdom. Same thing, it's still there. Okay? So the nice thing is we're not wasting resources now. It did it one time because we have our trigger once event, and then it's moved on. That's the kind of efficiency you want. Okay? The next item that we have to take care of is we want to start populating our inventory, global variables here into our actual inventory screen.